Hello everyone. In this video, I will discuss about dual purpose control surfaces of an aircraft. These are ailerons, rudderwater, flaperons, and stabilator. Ailerons. Ailerons are aircraft control surface that combines the function of the elevator and the aileron. Ailerons are installed on each side of the aircraft at the trailing edge of the wing. When moved in the same direction, up or down, they will cause a pitching force, nose up or nose down, to be applied to the airframe, and when moved differentially, one up and one down, they will cause a rolling force to be applied. Ailerons are frequently used on tailless aircraft such as flying wings and a delta wing aircraft. Rudderwater. Rudderwater are the control surfaces on an airplane with a VTAL configuration. They are located at the trailing edge of each of the two airfoil, making up the tail of the plane. Rudderwater provides the same control effect as the conventional control surfaces, but through a more complex control system that actuates the control surfaces in unison. Yaw moving the nose to the left is produced on an upright V-tail by moving the paddle left, which deflect the left hand rudderwater down and left and the right hand rudderwater up and left. The opposite produce the yaw to the right. Pitch nose up is produced by moving the control column or stick back, which deflect the left hand rudderwater up and right and the right hand rudderwater up and left. Pitch nose down is produced by moving the control column or stick forward, which induce the opposite rudderwater movements. Flaperons. Flaperons are a specialized type of aircraft flight control surface that combine aspects of both flaps and ailerons. Flaperons respond to roll commands made by the pilot via the control wheel or stick in the same manner as conventional aileron. However, the flaperons can also be symmetrically lowered to function similarly to a dedicated sets of flap. On a plane with flaperons, the pilot still has a standard separate controls for ailerons and flap, but the flap control also varies the flaperon's range of movement. A mechanical device called a mixer is used to combine the pilot's input into the flaperons. Stabilator. A stabilator, more frequently all moving tail or all flying tail, is a fully movable aircraft stabilizer. It serves the usual function of longitudinal stability, control, and stick force requirements otherwise performed by the separate parts of a conventional horizontal stabilizer and elevator. The stabilator is used to control the position of the nose of the aircraft and the angle of attack of the wing. Changing the inclination of the wing to the local flight path changes the amount of lift which the wing generates. This in turn causes the aircraft to climb or dive. During takeoff, the stabilators are used to bring the nose of the aircraft up to begin the climb out, and during bank turn, the stabilator input can increase the lift and cause the tighten turn.